Hey, Dominic, it's Esty, obviously. Listen, I was really worried about you. But then, okay, I was on Twitter and I saw that a friend of mine retweeted that BTS is having a video competition for a 15-second YouTube short of using their own dance moves. So just Google it, like hashtag permission to dance. You should totally do it. I mean, your moves are amazing and awesome, and you get it like so perfect. So listen, Google hashtag permission to dance. Make your video. Please send it to me. I really want to see it. Okay. And like, it would be amazing. Also, like, get in touch with me, man. I've been really worried about you. Like, what's up? What's going on? I have to see this video and like, let's talk about how to keep it going with all the other stuff. Okay. All right, cool. So email me your video, not TikTok or anything. I'm too old for that. And I'll talk to you soon, okay? All right, really soon. Bye.